Xfinity box reboot loops are often caused by three main issues: power problems, firmware glitches, or hardware failures. The box reboots to try and fix errors, but constant reboots mean a deeper problem. Power issues involve unstable voltage or loose connections. Firmware glitches occur during interrupted updates or buggy software. Hardware failures happen as components degrade over time. As of late 2025, Xfinity has improved firmware to reduce these issues, especially on newer X1 and Flex models, but older boxes still struggle. Addressing these core issues will help resolve the problem. To fix the reboot loop, start with basic troubleshooting. Unplug the box for 30 seconds and replug it. Next, check all cable connections, including HDMI, coax, and power cables. Ensure your power outlet provides stable power, ideally using a surge protector. Check for firmware updates in the Settings menu or the Xfinity app. Let updates finish without interruption. If problems persist, reset the box via the Settings menu. If these steps don't work, the box may have a hardware issue, especially older models. Contact Xfinity support for diagnostics or a replacement box. Replacement boxes can often be ordered online for self-installation. Newer Flex boxes are less prone to reboots, so consider an upgrade if you have an older X1 model.